Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message on my video, on one of my videos, and they'd seen this done, and I was actually reading it on my phone, and I said, I don't think there's any way to do that. But he said with a click of a mouse that people inside Corel could bring in a logo that they could put on everything. So I'm going to press Control M because I made a hotkey and I made a logo. Now I just made a logo for the video, but you could have that logo on any file you want. You know, let's say if it's that compass. So that's pretty cool. And thinking of it, you could have any object that you use a lot. You know, let's say if you use that compass, I might even do another video on that. But you could have this logo brought in just with a keystroke and it'll appear. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to actually delete it. I'm going to go to Macro Manager and I'm going to delete that logo. So now it doesn't work. Doesn't work. So here's how I did it. I've got some macros up here, but if you're not, you can go to Tools and Macros and Start Recording. Then you're going to name it whatever you want. Press OK. Then everything you do, it will copy. You have to go to File, Import, and I call that My Logo. And now I'm going to put it somewhere, and I'm going to stop recording. Yours is under Tools, probably. Macro Stop Recording. So now we'll go to Macro Managers. Yours most likely will be under Tools, Macros, Macro Manager, and there's our new logo. So just delete that one, and let's double click on that macro, and there's our macro. Now right click it and assign it a keyboard stroke, and I've already assigned it Control M for my macro or for my logo. Now we can delete it, and I'm going to Control M, and it'll bring in that logo or anything. I might even make a second one and use that compass. But that is pretty cool with the touch of a button. And you could pick a button. I'd use Control M, but you could, I don't even know what M would do with anything. I don't know I don't know if M was being used. M's probably a shortcut for something. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.